So I told you there was a lot of wide open land in Hemphill County. Well, there are things you can do in this big country that you just can't do near any big city, especially when you have a ranch that spans 40 square miles. Jason.
Chet, man, welcome to the Mendota Ranch.
Glad to be here. This is Jason Abraham, owner of the Mendota Ranch, pilot, inventor, and one of the 3 young boys that grew up in the Citadel. But as you'll see, he was more suited for the country life.
What I'm gonna take you on today is the same course that I do with my military guys. I'm a DOD contracted operation.
I mean, the highest levels of the military,
Yeah,
Green Berets, SEALs, that
yeah,
kind of stuff?
they're all tier 1 guys, yeah. Hey, you didn't eat a big lunch, did you? I know how you are.
No comment. Rotor Recoil is the country's best training ground for military helicopter target practice. This is amazing.
You haven't even gotten up yet.
I know, I'm already pumped. This is so good.
Today you're gonna be shooting a 9mm carbine. Now you got 300 rounds and you've got over 100 steel targets you're gonna be pinging. I hope you ping a few of them.
We can have the sound effect, right?
Yeah.
Ba-ding, ba-ding. Hopefully we won't need that sound effect. Now this operation is safety first, always, with a few key rules. Don't shoot the helicopter, don't drop the gun, and don't throw up in the helicopter. So far, so good.
All right, here we go. I'll take the helicopter sideways.
Did I get one? No. Oh, come on.
Come on. Oh, come a little left here. There, boy, there we go.
Got one on the first
You
run.
got one.
Obviously, this is wildly different. You have to shoot behind the target to let the bullet drift in.
Atta boy, good job.
Jason not only trains gunners, but also military
There
pilots.
you go. Look here.
Wow.
12 o'clock.
Because a good pilot
Got
can make
3
a
of
bad gunner much
times.
better than he actually is.
Ah, I missed that last one.
Man, you just left one standing. That's good.
Dang.
That brass catcher, flip that top up. There you
Like
go.
that? Yeah.
Yeah,
That was what it was.
Yeah.
That was what was causing me to miss those.
Yeah.
That's, you know.
Exactly what I was thinking.
Ah,
Oh, so close.
Come on.
A little left. Atta boy,
Hey.
double hitter there.
this might be the coolest thing I've ever done. Look at that. Look at the scenery.
This land is so incredible, I'd be happy just flying around without the guns. And the history here is something else.
So Wyatt Earp's nephew lived here. He was a goat farmer.
You're kidding me.
There's a bunch of history here, but one of them is there's a wagon trail. So see right here, see the wagon
Oh, wow.
trail?
Soon we're getting into the scenario targets. Vehicles full of good guys and bad guys.
All right, so now we're going to be on the car and the pickup.
Okay.
There you go. There you go, good hit.
I think I might have killed all the hostages.
Oh, got the. That was hard enough, and they're not even shooting back at me.
All right, get him down. Attaboy, unload. Hurry. Attaboy, get that driver. Good job.
Woo!
Best of them.
Yeah, that's it. I'm getting scouted, aren't I?
Yeah, this is it.
Maybe if I stick to non-hostage situations.
You do get better at it, but I got to know what you're doing.
Well, what I'm doing is I'm seeing you're aiming wrong, so I'm moving the helicopter so that you actually hit something today.
Oh, thank you.
Missed that one. There you go, good hit. One more.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
I got all 3 of them.
good
Took
job.
about 6 bullets.
6? Sorry, Chet. More like 16. Hey, you can't deny the video evidence, but I am improving.
Good
Whoa!
hit. That was luck. We're coming back around.
But we do need to land quickly to swap out our ammo and our guns. And this time, we're going for actual kills. All right, Jason, this looks like a little bit of a different kind of gun here.
Yeah, so this is the brush bullet gun. This is one of my inventions. Well, these are blueberry junipers, and these are some dirty little dudes. They'll drink 30 gallons of water. You can burn them, stomp them, and they just come right back. And we've got no solution for them until now.
Juniper cedars, public enemy #1.
I hate cedar.
Jason's invention delivers an herbicide that can safely kill even the biggest trees.
Woohoo! I cannot believe that you can do something like this. As a civilian, as a person who never had the honor of serving in the military, you get so much more respect for the men and women in the field of battle. You're thankful that you live in such a great country. that you got professionals who are much better at this than I am out there keeping us safe.
You know what they all say?
What's that?
You can only do this in Texas.
Something like this?
Something like
Absolutely.
this, only in Texas.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.